Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel analytics. He has uploaded 443 videos. He now has 341k subscribers with a total view of 82,097,003 views. He's from Great Britain, and his channel type is people. He created his channel since December 27, 2011. The grade he got is B, and his social blade ranking is at 82,953rd. The subscriber ranking is 78,534th, and then video view rank is 72,323rd. He ranked at 2,492nd in Great Britain and 10,978th in people. Next, the daily subs for Tom is around 534 with a daily view of 153,114. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 150,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $600. Then, monthly income will be $18,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $9,900 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $118,800. That is how much Tom Pemberton Farm Life earns from YouTube.